Engineering design is problem solving at its base. It's looking at a situation saying, okay, we're starting out here and we want to end here. What are the steps to go from here to there?
A lot of times with engineering, what you're given is just the end goal. A customer will come to you with the final product that they want to receive. So you take in your destination, you take what you were given, and then you try and find tools available to you that can put all of those things together to get from point A to point B.
To be a good designer, you have to have a very good eye for detail. It's not about always being right, but being the first to really admit that you're wrong in some scenarios as well. Not everything is built correctly the first way.
Say it's a new product, comes in, we'll start talking about what features need to be in there, what standards, what regulations it needs to hold up against. And then we start developing concepts. Usually you'll start out with an idea and you'll think it's great, and before the project is done, you'll have 3, 4, 5, 10, however many iterations that you might need to get a good working part for what you're trying to do. We have an Artec Studio scanner. It's a handheld scanner. We can scan in small items, we can scan in large items. Rather than someone who is a drafter or a designer spending time using sketches to build up a model, we can use the scanner to go in, scan in the part, and use that data to build the additional models off of. So it's a much truer method to building a model.
So for the engineering design, when we design our trucks, we use a 3D modeling program, and we basically design the truck as it's going to be in 3 dimensions, and then we can take that, make sure there's no interference of how we design it, and also export those files to actually be able to build the trucks in production.
We have a lot of engineers, we have a lot of designers. We definitely see a need for more design work. We see a need for more engineers as well, as that information has to be laid out very precisely, given to production, so there's less knowledge that's needed on the shop floor. They don't have to have 20 years of experience in order to be able to build our trucks. We want to be able to have a guy that has a good troubleshooting mindset, that he has mechanical skills, and be able to put our trucks together with the information that we can present them.
A good engineering designer has a good mechanical understanding, is good with math, likes working with computers and being able to understand that language. You know, having a background, an associate's degree is helpful, but a lot of what we do on the automation side of things has really kind of made it more of a basic knowledge, especially for the newer generation.
Somebody that makes a good engineer, looking for hands-on experience, likes to take things apart and see how they work, see what makes them tick.
Being able to take a concept and really develop it into an actual product, to be able to troubleshoot differences, try to improve on them, being able to communicate well with other people and the concepts that you have really makes for a good engineer.
Math is very important, science is very important. If you're getting into the design side of things, art can be very important. Thinking about new creative ways to do things while still holding up to those mathematical and scientific principles.
There's always room for engineers. You know, even if there's only Amazon selling products, they're going to have to be able to design the parts that they're selling and design their buildings that they're in.
If it's something you're interested in as far as the design or the engineering side of things, it's definitely something to go out there and reach out to local businesses, local manufacturers, and just talk to your school industrial tech teacher, your guidance counselor, and just find out what kind of opportunities are out there to come and work hand in hand with another company just to see what it's all about.
So what do you think? Is engineering design a career that you might be interested in? If so, here are some next steps to consider. You can learn more about a career in engineering design at the Northwest Iowa Manufacturing website. They can help you schedule a job shadow at a local business so you can observe and ask questions of professional engineers and designers. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, find a school that offers a program that fits your goals and interests. Be sure to speak directly to the program instructors. If you're struggling with how to get started, talk with a career coach at the Northwest Iowa Manufacturing website. They'd be happy to answer your questions and help you find the right career path. Good luck, and remember, we're here to help. This video was produced by the Northwest Iowa Manufacturers and supported by their manufacturing partners. Special thanks to the following businesses and their employees for participating in this video: Dan Hartog in Hospers, Maintainer in Sheldon, and RJ Thomas in Cherokee.